Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading from 24th of August till 30th of August, and we'll see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. All right, now so let's see what is there for my Virgos from 24th to 30th of August. All my angels guidance, please help me find some answers for my Virgos. So as you all know, this is general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. All right, 3 shuffles. I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies over here. At the back of the deck, it's the 8 of Swords. We'll see what it is. Okay, so okay, so I'm seeing that you are in the middle of a confusion where you have to decide something, but it's more like you are wishing that it would be really good that it would happen itself, where you do not have to do anything and you're wishing that it might happen itself. You're just hoping for that miracle basically. Okay, so your past energies are 7 of Cups, the Emperor and the Page of Cups. So in your past, I'm seeing that there was a decision being made, because there was a lot of confusion in your past energies with the 7 of Cups, where you have many opportunities in front of you, and out of those you have to take a decision, and that decision was made. And I think that you might have instantly took that decision. Might be an instant emotion came to you and you just took that decision, where you even listen to your emotions as well, because being with the Emperor, he does not talk about emotions, but I'm seeing that, but we'll clarify what it is. Your present energies are the Star, 2 of Swords and Page of Pentacles. So as I told you that there is a confusion and you're hoping for that confusion to end itself, like there are 2 paths and which way to go. You just want that itself, God just come towards you and lead you, hold your hand and lead you towards that particular way. That is what you want. That is your present energies. Your future energies are the Death, the Tower and 6 of Cups. So there is an ending over here, definitely an ending, because with the Death and the Tower, like a big ending, which was like which might be delaying from past some time, but it's like it's ending, coming to an end. And it is actually, you might have even dreamt about this kind of an ending, because I am seeing that you are happy after this ending. So this might be an ending which you actually wanted, that it might happen fast. So let's see. Okay, so let's see what is there for my Virgos. Let's clarify. So why is this 8 of Swords over here? So 2 of Swords again in your energies, Virgo. So I'm seeing that you are in a bit of indecisiveness, I would say, which whatever this is something which you are not indecisive, but it is more like you cannot do anything. You are trapped. See how this lady is trapped over here, and her eyes are closed and his eyes are closed as well over here. So it's not like you are not able to take a decision. It's because you're feeling that you cannot do anything. You're feeling that you are trapped somewhere. That is why you are not able to you are not able to move. Where you actually need to move, where you actually need to take an action, you are not able to do that action. It's not that you have decided, but it's not like you cannot decide. It's like you cannot do anything. So that is what the energy is telling me. What else do we have for the Eight of Swords and the Two of Swords? Wheel of Fortune and the Moon. See, so this Wheel of Fortune, I'm seeing that you are like, you want some change, you are ready for this change, because in future energies I'm also seeing, and this change might be hidden as well, some kind of a secretive decision, or secretive whatever this is, but this change you really want it to happen. Let's see why the Seven of Cups is here in your past energies. Let's clarify. Okay, so in your past, I'm seeing that you are like, with the King of Pentacles and the Seven of Swords, might be dealing with the Taurus over here, and it is like that energy where you, whatever decision you have taken it with the Emperor and the King of Pentacles. These two people over here, the King of Pentacles and the Emperor, they are very strict. They are very much, when they take a decision, it's not just a decision, it's a decision where you as well as them, they have to apply that decision in the lives, whatever that action they might take, so they actually apply it as well. So I'm seeing that there was a decision, because with the Seven of Cups, this was a very confused energy, but that energy is over. That confusion part is over. It's more about what to do now after taking the decision. Now what action? So I'm seeing that the decision from the mind was taken, but the action still needs to be taken. So over here it's like that. Let's see why the Emperor is here. King, Knight of Swords and the Judgment. See, again, that decision energy. With the Judgment, it's like with the Judgment, it's more like your decision as well as the God's decision. Everything is finally the Judgment Day, which we call where the decision, where the results are going to be out. So I'm seeing that you are like waiting. You were very fast energy, I'm seeing. This kind of energy is like where you have taken a decision and you want this thing to happen right now. Let's say like you have given an exam and you just want, like, I have given the exam right now and I want the results right now as well. So that is what you were actually looking towards in your past energies, I'm seeing. Like, I have you, everything you wanted was like, whatever is happening should be fast. So that is what I'm seeing. A lot of fast energies, like action, not actions, but more of I want it fast, that energy. Why the Page of Cups is here? Three of Cups with the Four of Pentacles. So this energy is like, this might be something very instant, because over here with the Page of Cups is also a very sudden emotion, a sudden message which comes, something really fast. I'm really sorry for my dog, but it's like, you're just holding on, that if I want a decision to be made, I really want it fast. And that is where I'm seeing that you are holding on. You are even holding on, like you are ready for the celebration as well. Basically, in your minds you are like, whatever decision is this, whatever this thing is, I am ready to go away, go far with it, plus I'm ready to celebrate the celebration as well. So your energies were so fast that everything, yesterday, today and tomorrow, in 3 days everything should be like, decision made, action done, and celebration done the next day. So I think you're getting what I mean. That is what energy is telling me. Okay, so let's see why the Star is here in your present energies. Death and the Fool. Well, 2 times death has appeared, and it's like this is very beautiful. I don't know why, but this energy is not really giving me bad impressions, bad intuitions. It's more like, you're just hoping for some kind of an ending. Might be a bad ending, or might be just an ending about anything. Might be a project, finishing of a project, like small ending as well. It does not has to be something really big. But I'm really seeing that because you're looking forward towards something other, some other thing, maybe a new journey, a new life chapter, something like that, and you're really enthusiastic as well. See how beautifully this person is smiling, like looking forward in his life, because that is what you are also wanting right now. Wow. Okay, so let's see why the two of swords is here. Okay, the six of cups has come again. So this is more about, might be decision about some kind of a past involved in, might be for some of you past relationship, some kind of a reconciliation energy where you are indecisive because there might be two people in front of you, where with one you have a past and you want to reconcile, and the other thing is like something new. Or might be the same person, the new person is your childhood friend or something like that, and you want to start like the friendship, you want to end the friendship and you want to take it in a serious relationship, serious term. So that is why the confusion is here. Let's see what else do we have other than six of cups over here. The page of cups. See, again this love energy is here, that emotional energy where this person, how this person is looking at the fish. See, so this is like, you're just waiting for that message to pop up, and waiting for that communication, that reconciliation to happen, something like that. Why this page of pentacles is here in your present energies? Why? Okay, three of swords. All right. Okay, so what is this three of swords? Why is this three of swords here? Okay, so seven of pentacles with the 10 of wands. Okay, so for some of you this might be a really long relationship or long term thing where you just want to get rid of it right now. Like you are in the same company from past 7 years, 7-8 years, and you just want to get rid. Or this might be a relationship, might be a very heavy relationship where the emotions, you are just you are sinking deep inside, and you are not able to do anything what you want. So this is that energy as well. So I'm seeing that you are wanting to get rid of this energy, and you are wanting to be a school boy, a school girl again, where you are ready to just experience new things in your life. That is what you are wanting. So this is the ending of this. Let's see the tower. One card for the tower, please. What do we have here? What is there in the future? Sorry, so many cards. The hangman I'm taking. Okay, so the hangman is here. Okay, what else do we have? Page of swords. Okay, so well, there is an ending in your future. I'm seeing whatever you are wanting, it is happening, but it's like you still have to wait. Basically not wait, basically what it is you have to research. And with the page of swords as well, is it's like you really need to investigate some stuff over here. You really need to know exactly what the actual situation is. If you really want to end some things, you have to know exactly why the situation is like that. That is what the cards are telling me. The guidance is, what guidance are they telling you is like, whatever you want to do in your life, if you really want to end something, and you want to start something new, so you have to analyze, you have to research, you have to think about the things, and what is happening around you. You have to really, you need to have a different perspective of this thing, and then only you will be able to move on. Because this is a good energy. I won't say it is a bad energy over here, but it's more like where you have to take, after every step, you really need to know why you are taking the step. One step at a time, you really need to know why are you taking the step. why the step was taken, why the step is taken. So this is what the cards are telling me. Let's see the Six of Cups over here. Okay, Nine of Wands. Well, I have understood what it actually is telling me. You know, you are really firm about it. If this is a reconciliation, you are firm. If you are like, you are not ending the things, basically, you are ending those things which are not suiting you good, and you are ready to move on. You are like standing on your grounds, I'm saying, you know, where you are tired about all the journey which you were traveling, but you are like, no, I am ready to move on again in my life. Why to stand where my energy is not even valued? Why to be there in that particular environment? All right, so that's all from my side, Virgos. I hope it helps, and we'll see in you in the next video. Till then, bye.